Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to look at how do you go about acquiring machines on Amazon. Now the first process is you will have to go to AWS and register yourself. We are not going to do that because I already have an account. All you need to do is just click register and follow the steps to register. What we are going to do here is we are going to purchase 4 machines, and the names of the machine we would have them as Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai and Kolkata, and post that we'll continue the next setup. So let's get going. So we visit aws.amazon.com, click on my account and AWS management console. On this console, just give your user ID and password, and if not, you can sign in for a new account. Now, once you log in, what you see is these are all the services that Amazon offers us. As of now, we are interested in a service called EC2. EC2 basically is a service where you can purchase machines or rent machines. Currently, we are in the North Virginia data center. That doesn't really matter. We have to click on EC2 and say launch instance. This is our way of saying that we would like to purchase or rent certain machines. So let's do that. We click on launch instance. It's time for us to now search for a virtual machine and purchase it or rent it out. So let's go to AWS Marketplace and search for CentOS 6.5. So you get a link which says that CentOS 6.5 is available. The software is free. So we click on select. So what we see is number of options. What we need is a machine with 7.5 GB of RAM. What we are looking for is a machine with 7.5 gigs of RAM. In this case, it is M3.large. So Amazon comes with different machine sizes. We want to go for a machine with 7.5 GB. So let's look at this machine. Here what we are interested is that we are interested in purchasing 4 machines. We are interested in purchasing 4 machines. We will keep everything default. We'll prefer going to the next, and let's say increase the root size to 40. We don't want to have any tags, and as far as security group is concerned, we'll keep it default. That means this is a group that is edited by us, and we've said that all the traffic to this machine is completely open. How to play with security groups, we will be seeing that later in the video. It's not required for this setup, but just for the reference, we shall run through that. So we click on default, we click on review and launch. It asks us what kind of hard disk do we want. We would prefer having magnetic disk and saying next. So what we see is this and say launch, and here we will say create a new key value pair, and we'll just call it as my demo. So we've downloaded the key value pair. This key value pair will be required by us so that we can connect to EC2 instances or Amazon instances. Without this key, you will not be able to connect to the machines. Another important part is when you are creating a new key, you should download it and keep it, because you can download the key only once. If you lose the key, there is no way to recover the machine. You will have to shut down the machine. So what we see is that the machines are getting launched. The machines are getting launched. Looks like our machines are up and running. We click on view instances and we see that 4 machines are coming up right now. What we've seen is 4 machines are coming up right now. Let's name these machines. So we'll call the first machine as Delhi. Second machine will be Mumbai. Kolkata. And Chennai. So all the 4 machines have been given names from the browser perspective so that we can identify the machines. This is the public IP of the machine and this is the private IP of the machine. Now let's quickly look at security groups. So in the security groups, you can basically change the settings of a group as to who's allowed to connect and who's not allowed to connect. That's how you do it. At this moment, 4 machines are 100% up and running. In the next session, what we are going to see is how do you connect to these machines from Windows laptop as well as Mac laptop. Once you've connected to these machines, then irrespective of Windows or Mac, it doesn't really matter because after that you are supposed to run everything on CentOS. So what you're going to see in the next couple of videos is how to connect to these 4 machines from Windows and how to connect to these 4 machines from Mac. And post that we will continue doing our setup. Thanks for watching this video.